Welcome to VVHIT Solutions. We are a global IT software and training platform led by experienced professionals. Our mission is to empower learners and working professionals with industry-relevant skills through high-quality, real-time training and practical guidance. At VVHIT Solutions, we specialize in training programs across a range of high-demand technologies. These include Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, DevOps engineering, data engineering, artificial intelligence, and machine learning and data science. Our approach is unique. We do not just train, we mentor. We treat our learners like colleagues, helping them understand the day-to-day responsibilities of the roles they are preparing for. We provide in-depth explanations of technical processes so that every learner develops a strong understanding of the product, the tools, and the expectations of real-world projects. Each learner gains hands-on experience with real-time use cases and practical scenarios. More scenarios mean more practice, and more practice means greater confidence. We offer access to corporate environments, including email, Teams, and ticketing systems. Learners get to interact with actual cloud team members, giving them a genuine workplace feel. We also conduct mock interviews with our subject matter experts and architects, help with resume preparation, and support LinkedIn profile optimization. Whether you are located in the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, or India, we support your journey in the job market with our international expertise and experience in various geographical locations. Our head office is located in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and we also operate a branch office in Hyderabad, India. Beyond training, VVHIT Solutions is also a trusted IT software solutions provider. We have developed our own technology products that enhance learning, and we deliver managed IT services. As experts in both Azure and AWS platforms, we are proud to be official partners with Microsoft and other leading cloud providers. If you are looking to transform your career and step into a role that is in high demand, we invite you to connect with us. All the details are available in the video description. Thank you for choosing VVHIT Solutions. We look forward to being a part of your success.